everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to yet another video. I really hope you all are having an amazing day. So in today's video I will be sharing my very first day as a 12th grader. So a night before I was just sitting down and writing my timetable. So most probably the timetable is same for every single week, and it's been a long time since I have posted these kind of videos, so now it will be coming more frequently. So this is what my routine for the coming week looks like. And then after that it was time to pack my bag, so I was just arranging my books. Basically I'll be keeping all the required ones and the rest I'll be putting onto the shelf. Also if you have watched my shorts then you must be knowing that it was my first day but बाकियों के लिए ये उनका दूसरा दिन था. Okay then, so this has got a story. तो 1st of April को it was my first day, but उस दिन I went to the Next Toppers का meetup and that was the reason I couldn't attend my class that day. So yeah, I already knew what's all going on. मैंने अपने सारे books and notebooks रख लिए, साथ ही में I just kept this small coin pouch, and then it was time to pack my pencil bag. Nothing much I'm keeping in it, just some regular pens, pencils and stuff. तो सब डाल के my pencil pouch was all ready. मैंने उसको भी bag में डाल दिया and my bag was all packed. Also I did want to fix my sleep schedule a bit, so it was already around 12, so then I just went to sleep.
The next day.
Okay, so it's the next day and the very first thing that I did in the morning was obviously brushing, and then I just went to take a quick bath. Coming back I did a little bit of skincare, applied my moisturizer and also not forgetting a sunscreen क्योंकि गर्मी इतनी ज़्यादा है that what do I tell you. फिर मैंने जल्दी से अपना बाल कोम किया, एक पोनी बनाया and then I was all set to go already. तो almost after a month that my 11th grade has ended, I was going to attend my class, so I was a bit excited. मैंने lunch box रखा, I kept my water bottle and then मैंने थोड़ा सा breakfast में fruits खाया. So I just did cut some watermelon क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Like it will keep me hydrated plus थोड़ा सा light breakfast भी हो जाएगा. So I just did cut them and have it and जल्दी फिर I left. तो मेरे classes at around 9 start होते हैं. Almost at 8:15 I just left. I obviously didn't want to get late and traveling also takes some time. तो I reached my class on time and I was like so happy about that. तो regularly हमारी 9 से 2 की classes होती है, all the 3 subjects every single day, and in between of both the classes we just have a 15 minutes of break जिसमें we just do some lunch. Classes were तो good, teachers भी काफ़ी अच्छे थे, but the thing was that मेरा पहला दिन ही छूट गया था, so I was just having a little bit of backlog. But yeah, I knew that I won't be carrying it further and उसको मैं जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म कर लूँगी. Then 2 बजे मेरी छुट्टी हो गई and I was just rushing back home. It was overall a pretty good day. I met my friends after like such a long time, you know, but the only thing that bothers me is that इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई है that what do I tell you. आते वक्त I just had some pineapple juice and then I just got back home. I was literally so exhausted and I knew that getting into the routine would take me a little bit of time. घर आके I was just so excited because आज I was going to make sandwiches. I was just making it all by myself from scratch and यही मेरा lunch होने वाला था. This is one thing that when I cook I enjoy the process more than the final result for some reason. I don't know. And look how I was just playing around with the mayo. So I was just enjoying myself making this sandwich for some reason and साथ ही साथ I was like feeling so sleepy and I knew that इसको खा के मैं सोने वाली हूँ. So this was the reason of my excitement. तो मैंने जल्दी से उसको बनाया. I just toasted it and उसके बाद खा के I just took a nice nap.
One eternity later.
So by the time I woke up शाम हो चुकी थी and I knew that now I have to get started with my studies. Hello you all, hope you all are doing good and having an amazing day. So today was sort of my very first day of 12th grade. It was pretty decent, it was all good. Now the thing is that I came back, I had my lunch and then मैं just सो गई. And this is one habit of mine that मैं कितना भी चालू मैं change कर ही नहीं पाती हूँ इसको. Right now the plan is that we'll be sitting to study. We'll be making a to-do list as always. Here it is. The to-do list, it's ready. सबसे पहले I'm gonna be studying some physics. I will just go through that notes and basically revise it. That's gonna be the very first task and let's get started. तो सबसे पहले आई जस्ट सैट डाउन विद फिजिक्स. 11th में आई नेग्लेक्टेड फिजिक्स अ लॉट, तो इस बार आई डिडंट वांट टू रिपीट दैट. ऑल्सो मैंने जाके अपनी वाटर बॉटल भर ली सो दैट आई डिडंट हैव टू गेट अप टाइम एंड अगेन. एंड देन मैं बैठ गई पढ़ने. तो आई हैड थॉट कि मैं अपने नोट्स को रिवाइज कर लूँगी. लाइक जितना भी अभी तक पढ़ाई हुआ है आई विल जस्ट बी रिवाइजिंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. दिस लाइक रियली हेल्प्स मी इन गिविंग अ लिटिल बिट कॉन्फिडेंस अबाउट दैट टॉपिक, ताकि मैं फिर उसके सवाल लगाने बैठूँ तो आई एम लाइक नॉट कम्प्लीटली ब्लैंक अबाउट दैट. एंड आई ऑल्सो कीप लाइक अ रफ पेपर सो दैट आई कैन स्क्रिबल या फिर जो भी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्मूलाज है I can just rewrite them and then वो better याद होते हैं, because it's said that writing things really helps in memorization. So this is like a tip from my side that you can really use for your study sessions. So once that I got done with physics, I just sat down with maths. Maths में I was solving NCERT. You all know that इस बार we have our boards, competitive exams and everything. We have got a lot on our plate this time, तो थोड़ा तो extra efforts लगाना पड़ेगा. And this time I would be solving NCERT as well because I want to give boards as well like equally priority. So I've thought that शुरू से ही I will be solving my NCERT as well as जो भी मुझे modules मिले हैं. Like while the time the topics are being taught, उसी time पे उसके सवाल कर लेने से I feel the concepts get much more clear. And this time I've really thought that whatever mistakes I have done in 11th, I'm not going to repeat them at any cost. So I just solved 2 exercises from the NCERT book and it was almost a very productive study session. So after getting done with my NCERT का exercises, I just sat down to do some module का questions. तो ये मुझे homework में मिले थे and I wanted to do it the very same day that I got it. I know that balancing stuffs would be tough, but अगर मैं शुरू से ही try करूँ then I think it will get easier with time. And one more thing that I've realized so far is that कि solving questions is the most important part. So being good at concepts and equally solving and practicing questions are important. So that was like pretty much it for this day. Also you guys, we just hit 10k subscribers on this channel and yeah, we are still growing. Almost 20k to come our way. तो जल्दी जल्दी कर दो and I'll be seeing you in the next one. चलो bye bye.